So just like I said earlier from the beginning of this training of our brochure design in Illustrator, that brochure design can be threefold, can be twofold, can be fourfold. So this practical this practical centralized on a threefold, right? And I said brochure design, threefold brochure is going to be in a 6 layers. That is, the front is going to be in threefold, the inner part is going to also be in threefold. So we have done with the first part of the brochure design in Illustrator. This is the second phase of the brochure design in Illustrator, and we're still going to make use of the same layout, the same color, and the same font style to create the inner part of the brochure, because we need to maintain what we call company brand color and company layout setting design in brochure. So what I'm going to do here is that I will first of all hide my transparent, then I will select all the text. I will delete everything right away. I'll press delete key on my keyboard, then I can select all like this and delete, and I'll select this and press delete. Now then I will select this also and delete. Now before I delete this remaining shape here, I need to do one thing. So I will delete. We need to go to rectangle and draw a rectangle here, and then I'll make a duplicate of this rectangle in 3 places. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, so this is where we're going to select the color. So I'm picking this color here, then I'll select this, and we have mistakenly deleted the ruler, the guide. Sheet, Ctrl Z. We need to press Ctrl Z all over. Ctrl Z. So okay. So I need to delete and delete, okay, and delete. I'll select this and delete. I'll select this, delete. Delete. I will delete, and this, and this, then delete. Okay, I'll select this and delete. I'll select this and delete. Now I'll select this and delete. I'll select this and delete. So now you can see, even as we have it this way, it is somehow nice, but we need to bring out a new style, right? So what we are going to do here is that we can just say, okay, having leave all this shape right away here, we can just select our pen tools again, and here we make a part, a very big part here. Make a very big part. Ctrl+0. Make a very big part here, and here, and we close the part here. Now we need to fill this with color. So we can double click the foreground color, select this and click on OK. So now we need to change the color to the primary color of our design. We select eye color dropper and pick on this. Alright, so we are going. Okay, so we can select our pen tools again, and right here we make a part and close this part here. Right, so we can make a duplicate of this by press Alt key and drag it right here and snap to this edge here. Right, so now we can as well divide this shape just like how we did at the top here. So we can just say okay, we select this now, and we come here, add stroke color to be black, then color fill to be none, then we fall back to our shape tools and select pen tools, and we make a part like this. And cut. Then we go back to our pick tools, then we select the stroke, then shift key and select the big shape here. Then we go back to our shape builder. Here we need to fill this place, but before we do that, we come here, we make sure that we choose color black, then we double click here to fill with black, we double click here to fill with black again. Good. So we can select this one here and press delete key on our keyboard. We can select this shape right now and pick our eye color dropper. We select this red now. We come here, our eye color dropper again, we select this red. Good. So we are done with the inner part of our layout just like that. But one other thing we can still do in this regard is that we can make another part here. Let's see, we select pen tools, we can start from we can add anchor point here and here, then we close the part here. Oh, sorry, Ctrl Z, close. Then we select our eye color dropper, we pick this black now. Good. Now we can go to our file, place, and we look for picture that can fit in that place. Let's see if this is going to look nice. Place. Okay, so right click and look for transform, then reflect. So we need to click on preview, so then we click on OK. So I'm going to place this image right here, but before we do this, we need to something like this. So we need to select the black shape now. Right click, arrange, bring to front, black shape, arrange, bring to front. Okay, so we need to position this young man here and make sure that his face appear. Okay, so I can shift key and drag to compress the image. No, Control Z. So let me just drag. This image here needs to fit in this shape. Let me see if it's going to look nice the way I'm compressing the image right here. Okay, shift key and select this, right click, make clipping mask. Okay, let me press Ctrl Z and let's see if we can still take the image back. At least the laptop can show a little bit. Shift key and select the black shape, right click, clipping mask. This is not nice. Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. Let me delete it and look for another picture. So I'm going to delete it. So let's go back to File, Place. I don't have a nice picture that can fit in that place. Okay, let me see this hand image, please. Okay, I think this is going to work fine here. This is just a corporate TRIFOLD brochure. So shift key and drag out. So I will select the black shape now, right click and arrange, bring to front. Then I will select this image and put it down here. Let's see. Still need to compress this. Shift key and select the black shape, right click, make clipping mask. No, I don't like this image here. And delete. So better still, I will not use picture for this part. So I will leave it in that way. Okay, let me look for another picture. We need to add some stuff, some picture that will. Let me look for another picture. don't want to use the same building. That's what I'm trying to avoid. Let's see what we can do. Okay, let me use this building again, and just put down here. Right click, arrange, bring to front, and I will select this image again and take it here. Then shift key and select the black shape. Right click, make clipping mask. Okay, this is very much nice. So we can now input the text into the brochure.